There are guys who are like, I've been on TRT for 3 months. I'm not jacked yet. And it's like, so what are you eating? How do you train? Do you train hard enough? Like,
sleep.
Yeah. Like you could sit on a couch. You can inject all the TRT and all the steroids you want. You still are not going to morph into some muscular Adonis.
How about like managing expectations for some of these men? You know, like because I know that there's a lot of dudes that don't take anything that think that those that are on are like NPC bodybuilders because they take 200 milligrams of testosterone a week. Do you have to kind of like bring them back to reality and say like if once you start taking this, you still need to put in some effort if you want to get XYZ results?
Oh yeah, I mean. Let's think about what used to happen when somebody is in shape. We used to say, oh, what nutrition approach or, what program did you do to get like that? Now it's like, hey, what's your stack?
Yeah.
What's the protocol?
Especially if the person's like over 40. You're like, oh yeah, the guy's on.
Yeah, because like the person commenting on that has no profile pic, has 10 numbers in their profile username, probably doesn't lift. So they're coming at, like every time I post a progress photo of one of my guys, what else is he on?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, he's just on TRT. But he actually goes to the gym.
And SARMs and peptides.
Yeah. And other illegal substances. Some I put in the water bottle. But they think that automatically. And it's like, at first I used to get so angry because it would dismiss all the hard work that these guys do. And I'm like, yo, look at their nutrition. Like they are dialing it in. These guys are pedantic about this shit. And you do have to manage the expectations for the guys that think it's a panacea. Like, oh, I can just inject TRT and I will look much better in the mirror. And they think that it will solve all their problems. And that also leads to like it swinging to the other extreme where guys take it and then they're like, I have diarrhea. Is that from TRT? I have a headache. Is that from TRT?
Could diarrhea be from TRT? Like
not that I'm aware of.
Okay.
I mean,
anything's possible.
Yeah. Anything's possible.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's the equivalent of when you're helping somebody with a diet and you advise that they eat something quote healthy, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, I'm cramping up. It's definitely that thing that you gave me.
Yeah,
right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like no, Dick, it's not that. I promise. But because it's now they're injecting something, they're going to blame everything on it.
100%.
That's interesting
because that has nothing to do with, maybe they drank their face off over the weekend or, haven't gone to the gym in 4 days, like stuff like that. But it is tough to manage because there are guys who are like, I've been on TRT for 3 months. I'm not jacked yet. And it's like, so what are you eating? How do you train? Do you train hard enough? Like
sleep.
Yeah. Like you could sit on a couch. You can inject all the TRT and all the steroids you want. You still are not going to morph into some muscular Adonis.
But there was that one study.
Mm-hmm.
But there was, yes. And somebody will come at me for that, I'm sure.
Thank you for pointing that out.
There was literally a study, right? That showed like people gained like significant amounts of muscle mass without training. Just
Tons.
from taking,
Tons. This hasn't even aired yet and they're in my DMs.
Yeah.
Like, that.
People are circling it.
Oh my God. They love to come at me for that stuff sometimes, but
it makes sense. I mean, people gain muscle mass when you're a teenager. You gain muscle mass. You go through those. You go through puberty. You gain some size, gain some muscle mass, and so it would make sense that if you take a little testosterone, that you're going to gain some muscle. But I think what people maybe get confused about is it's not like perpetually.
Right.
It gives you a little boost. It's a nice card to be able to play, but then you played that card and. Now you have to train and have to eat properly, just like everybody else.
Yeah, you still have to put in the work, and telling them that you're not going to gain slabs of muscle in a very short time. If anything, it's going to help augment your recovery and help you focus and actually motivate to be there. Because most guys initially, they're dealing with brain fog and cognitive clarity going downwards and, just not feeling that oomph. And I'm like, this is going to help you to be able to train harder. But you still have to eat and train hard enough to be able to warrant muscle growth. But, they just want to inject and then buy a Theragun and all this stuff to recover. And I'm like, what are you recovering from?